Hello, welcome to TIG KING's YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to bevel pipes. Welding preparation is very important. Good beveling is an essential skill as a pipe welder. Okay, let's just start how to bevel the pipe by hand grinder like a machine. What is the ideal bevel angle for pipe welding? Remember this number, 37.5 degree. Why? 37.5 plus minus 2.5 degrees is recommended by ASME code and standard. That's why most butt weld fitting manufacturers produce elbows and tees with 37.5 degree bevel ending. How can I bevel 37.5 degrees with hand grinder? Let's take a look at the picture. We can find out two things from the picture: material thickness and bevel angle 37.5. We don't know the distance D. If you can calculate the distance D and mark it on the pipe, you can bevel 37.5 degree exactly. We have a calculator, don't be panicked. Distance D equal tan 37.5 degree multiply thickness. Please keep in mind this formula. Okay, I will show you how to use a calculator and mark on the pipe. I use a caliper to measure pipe thickness. It is 0.262 inch. I will get the distance D using a calculator. Bevel angle 37.5, tangent, multiply the thickness 0.262. Now you get the distance 0.2. Set the caliper 0.2, lock it, and just scribe it along the pipe edge. You can see the scribing mark on the pipe. I prefer to leave a very thin root face around 1 mil. I use a grinding disc for beveling. Please make sure of the safety. The pipe should be secured with a chain vise or bench vise. The grinder guard should be on, and you protect your face with a face shield. Do not grind over the scribe marking. When it is close to the scribing mark, I stop and change the grinding disc to a sanding disc. Beveling is done, but you have a couple of more things to do. You have to deburr the inside and the outside pipe using a file or flapping wheel. Last step, you have to clean it. I use alcohol or acetone. It is done. Let's take a look at it. It comes up pretty good. Let's put the pipe beside the T. T has a factory bevel ending, and I hand beveled the pipe. It looks like both have the same bevel angle, and the joint looks good. Once again, I want to emphasize the importance of good pipe preparation. I hope this lesson helps you a lot, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.